Hi guys, it's Kevin again and welcome back to another Kevs gear review video. So in this review today we're going to be looking at the Webtex thermal flask. As you know from all the gear I ever review, it's had at least 12 months out in the field for extensive testing. In this case for this product it's had about 2 years. It's January now. I got this 2 years ago for Christmas from David McRae. So yeah, this had a good couple of years out. I prefer these type of thermal flasks over your cups. I've got a fair bit of titanium cupware and I hate the cups. I hate the Crusader cups. I hate any sort of cups like that are metal. Yes, you can put them in the fire and cook them in a dire situation, but they always just burn my lips. And by the time the liquid or the fluid inside is cool enough to drink, it's gone too cold, the metal's cooled down. So you never get a nice warm drink. It's either too hot or too cold, so I hate them. So I tend to stick with these. Now these are designed to fit in the PLC ammo pouch. That's what these were sort of designed for. The other advantage of these, if you're doing something in the morning, you have a few slurps of your coffee, you put a normal cup down, you go to it like it's cold. You know, this is like 4 or 5 hours of heat. It does have storage, external storage to even store your coffee or your sugar in the lid there. I don't really use it, to be fair, but it does have it. It's double layered, vacuum sealed. As you can see, mine was once green and now it's nearly all scraped off, but that's just a credit to how much it's been used really. Now this is the Webtex one. The reason I was given this one from David, he had a spare like brand new in his car, is that I just normally chuck my sachet of coffee in. It's a 3-in-1 mixture, lid on, shake, and mine popped off and blew up in my face, leaving my face burnt and you know, scalded from red hot coffee. So this is the Webtex one. I think they only retail for about $6.99 on Amazon. The link will be in the description below. So they're not a lot of money. Yeah, they are bulky. I think the 19 centimeters by 8 by 8, and they are a little bit weighty. I think this is 281 grams, but I prefer to take that than other cups. I have a constantly hot drink, and it's just my preferred method. So it holds 330 ml, which is the same as a Coke can. If you imagine a Coke can, that's the same. But yeah, solid piece of kit. As for a review, I think I'm going to give it a little bit of a low one, maybe a 7.5 or an 8 out of 10. One, I'd like to see one that was a little bit lighter. You know, if we can drop 50 grams off that, take it down to 200 grams, I think it would suit it a lot better. But yeah, maybe it's a little bit heavy. But you know, there is a bit. You can utilise a bit of storage space in there. You know, you can, if you're going away for a weekend, you put 10 coffee sachets in there. That's less space. But yeah, it could, maybe if they just design them a little bit lighter, be a bit more appealing to the super lightweight campers. But yeah, good strong 8 out of 10.